Imagine the massive power grids feeding modern data centers or explosive liquid gas terminals. Who keeps that terrifying amount of electricity from blowing up? Meet Powell Industries, the invisible shield protecting the world's most critical infrastructure. They don't just build electrical boxes, they engineer the highly customized brains of industrial power distribution. Their flagship products are heavy-duty switchgears and motor control centers that safely direct massive voltages. Think of it as a high-tech, fail-safe traffic control system for industrial-scale electricity. Their absolute crown jewel is arc-resistant technology, specifically designed to safely vent literal electrical explosions away from human operators in highly volatile zones like refineries. So how does this translate into cold, hard cash? Powell generates revenue through highly lucrative, custom-engineered, fixed-price contracts. Because every single industrial facility requires a bespoke power solution, Powell commands a massive engineering premium. They aren't selling interchangeable commodities, they are selling irreplaceable safety. Once installed, Powell locks in lifelong, recurring revenue streams by providing continuous field services, upgrades, and retrofitting for these massive electrical systems. Why can't giant competitors easily steal their market share? It comes down to deeply entrenched barriers to entry. Building equipment for hazardous petrochemical and utility plants requires decades of rigorous safety certifications and a flawless execution history that newcomers simply cannot fake. Armed with an impenetrable, zero-debt balance sheet, Powell easily outmaneuvers rivals while riding the massive supercycle of grid modernization, factory reshoring, and the data center boom. But even fortresses have vulnerabilities. Their biggest bottleneck is their own complex manufacturing process. Building customized mega equipment takes substantial time, meaning explosive market demand can hit hard physical capacity limits. Furthermore, heavy reliance on the cyclical oil and gas sector means sudden energy price crashes can delay massive orders. Finally, those lucrative fixed-price contracts become a double-edged sword if unexpected global tariffs or supply chain shocks cause copper and steel prices to spike mid-project.